The new GCM10J from Bosch is the new 10-inch mitre saw. So it now comprises the most power in its class, a powerful 2000 watt motor. This means that we can now cut multi-materials, even aluminium, to a high level of accuracy. The machine comprises an anti-dust motor, so it protects from any debris arisen from all the cuts, and a soft start motor. So the high accuracy is up to a 47 degree left and a 47 degree right mitre, and with a really clear mitre scale for those accurate cuts, and a bevel of 47 degrees left and 2 degrees to the right. The machine comprises a dust bag and also the fitting for any dust extraction system, and a maximum vertical cut of 89 by 89. So it's the new GCM10J from Bosch, available at Toolstop.co.uk.